Welcome back students. Let us start new point, income elasticity of demand. What is income elasticity of demand? That we will see. This measures the responsiveness of demand for a commodity to a change in consumers' income. The elasticity of demand is given by the percentage change in quantity demanded of a commodity divided by percentage change in income, keeping constant all other variables including the price in the demand function. So EY is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded upon percentage change in income. As with the price elasticity, income elasticity can be found out by the point or arc method. Point income elasticity of demand can be calculated by the following formula. EY is equal to delta Q upon Q into delta P upon delta Y upon Y is equal to delta Q upon delta Y into Y upon Q, where delta Q is the change in quantity demanded, delta Y is change in income, Q is original quantity demanded, Y is original income. Income elasticity and classification of goods. On the basis of value of income elasticity, we can classify the goods into two broad categories. Number one, inferior goods. These are the goods which consumers buy less as their income rises. The value of income elasticity of demand for such goods is negative. Second, normal goods. Most of the goods fall into this category, which the consumer generally buy more as income rises. They can be further subdivided into three categories. Number one, necessities. These are the goods and services for which the income elasticity of demand is positive and less than unity. So, an increase in income causes less than proportionate increase in quantity demanded and vice versa. For example, articles of basic food and ordinary day-to-day clothing fall into category. This here elasticity is less than 1. Comforts. These are the goods and services for which the income elasticity of demand is positive and unity. So, change in income causes a direct and proportionate change in quantity demanded. For example, semi-luxury and comfort items such as good quality clothing, eating outside, etc. fall into this category, and elasticity, income elasticity is equal to 1. Next, luxuries. These are the goods and services for which income elasticity of demand is positive and greater than 1. So, a change in income leads to direct and more than proportionate change in quantity demanded. For example, expensive cars, foreign holidays, etc. fall into this category where income elasticity is greater than 1. Neutral goods. In case of these goods, a change in income does not bring about any change in quantity demanded. For example, staple food like rice, wheat, salt, sugar, etc. So, income elasticity is equal to 0. So, this is what you have to understand about income elasticity and how we classify income elasticity. The question can be, explain income elasticity and classification of goods. So, you have to give all these points. Your answer should be, you should cover everything. The explanation, entire explanation you have to give into this. Thank you very much.